Good morning, class 4th. Today, our next topic is addition of fractions and subtraction of fraction. How to add the fraction number and how to subtract the fraction numbers. So, आज हम क्या करेंगे? फ्रैक्शंस नंबर को ऐड करेंगे एंड फ्रैक्शन नंबर्स को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, राइट? So, first topic is addition of fraction. In this topic, we will cover exercise 7.5. First topic is find the sum of, means addition of fraction, right? A part 5 by 7 and 3 by 7. We have to add both the number. Whenever b denominator and numerator are same, जब भी आपका न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर सेम हो, आप क्या करोगे? सिंपली हमारा एलसीएम क्या होगा? 7, 5 प्लस 3, व्हाट कम्स हेयर? 8 बाई 7, राइट? आपको सिंपली जब भी डिनोमिनेटर सेम हो, आपको सिंपली नंबर्स को क्या करना है? ऐड करना है. बी पार्ट 4 बाई 5 प्लस 3 बाई 5. अगेन डिनोमिनेटर सेम है तो एलसीएम क्या आएगा? 5. Whenever you divide 5 by 5, divisible by 5 divided by 5, what comes? 1. 1 multiply with 4, 4. Plus 5 divided by 5, 1. 1 multiply with 3, 3. So 4 plus 3, 7 by 5. Right? C part 3 by 8 plus 1 by 8 equals to 8. 3 plus 1, because 8 divided by 8 1, 1 multiply with 3, 3. 8 divided by 8, 1 comes, 1 ones are 1. 3 plus 1, 4 by 8. Now see, both the numbers come in one table. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, right? After that, D part 1 5 by 11 and 2 3 by 11. Which fraction is this? Mixed fraction. So firstly what we will do? Firstly we will convert this mixed fraction into improper, because mixed fraction always convert into improper fraction, right? जितने भी आपके डिविजन्स के सम होते हैं, they all are the example of improper fraction. So 11 ones are 11 plus 5, 16 by 11 plus 11 twos are 22, 22 plus 3, 25 by 11. Now denominators are same, 11, 16 plus 25. Answer be the 5 plus 6, 11. 1 goes carry, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 41 by 11, right? What comes here? 41 by 11. E part 3 by 7 plus 3 by 8. Now see beta, here denominators are different. क्या है यहाँ पे? denominators different है, तो हम क्या करेंगे? हम दोनों नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 8 7 ज़ा 56, बिकॉज मैंने यहाँ पे डायरेक्ट मल्टीप्लाई क्यों किया? द रीज़न इज़ क्योंकि ये दोनों नंबर्स, कोई भी ऐसा टेबल नहीं है इसमें 7 और 8 जो है वो एक साथ आते हो, राइट? सो नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज़ 56 डिवाइड बाय 7, 56 डिवाइड बाय 7, 8, 8 3 ज़ा 24 plus 56 divided by 8, what comes? 7, 7 3 ज़ा 21, right? After that add 45 by 56. जब भी कोई ऐसे नंबर्स आपके डिनोमिनेटर हो विच आर नॉट द सेम नंबर एंड इवन not come in the same table and not divide by the same number, at that time what you will do, you will multiply both the numbers and write the product as the LCM. क्या हो जाएगा ये LCM, राइट. डाउन साइड इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, LCM. आफ्टर दैट हाउ यू विल डू, फर्स्ट डिनोमिनेटर से 56 को LCM को डिवाइड करो, 8 आएगा, 8 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 3, 8 3 ज़ा 24. नाउ सेकेंड डिनोमिनेटर से करो, 56 डिवाइड बाई 8, 7 कम, 7 3 ज़ा 21. आंसर भी 45/56, राइट. नाउ F पार्ट, 3/5 प्लस 1/4. See beta 5 and 4 they both comes in different table, right. So हम क्या करेंगे, हम डायरेक्ट मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. 5 4 ज़ा 20 and this 20 be the LCM. So 20 divide by 5, 4, 4 3 ज़ा 12 plus 20 divide by 4, 5, 5 1 ज़ा 5. Now 12 plus 5, 17/20, right. This is the way to add the fraction. If denominators are same, then you will just direct add the number. 4 plus 3, 7/5. What we call this 5, LCM. क्या बोलते हैं हम इसको, डाउन साइड LCM, right. After F part, come to G. 3/7 plus 1/8. Again both the numbers come in different table. 8 और 7 सेम टेबल में नहीं आते, तो हम क्या करेंगे, डायरेक्ट मल्टीप्लाई. 7 8 ज़ा 56, 56 डिवाइड बाई 7, 8, 8 3 ज़ा 24 प्लस 56 डिवाइड बाई 8, 7, 7 1 ज़ा 7. Now 24 plus 7, 31/56. It is easy now to add the fraction numbers, right. Now after G part, come to H part. H part will be 1 1/8 and 2 3/7. मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में है. मिक्स फ्रैक्शन से विच फ्रैक्शन वी विल कन्वर्ट, विच फ्रैक्शन, इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. इस फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करोगे आप इसको इम्प्रॉपर में. सी 8 1 ज़ा 8 प्लस 1 9/8 प्लस सी न्यूमरेटर बिग है, डिनोमिनेटर स्मॉल है. आप इसको ऐसे लगाओ कि 8 मार्क्स का टेस्ट है एंड यू गॉट 9 मार्क्स. इज इट पॉसिबल? नो. सो विच टाइप ऑफ फ्रैक्शन इज दिस? इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन, राइट. नाउ 7 2 ज़ा 14, 14 प्लस 3 17/7. अगेन both are the different number, so we have to find LCM, and LCM of 8 and 7 56. 8 7 ज़ा 56. Now 56 डिवाइड बाई 8, 56 को 8 से डिवाइड करो, 7 and 7 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 9 प्लस 56 डिवाइड बाई 7, 8, 8 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 17. सॉल्व. 56 7 9 ज़ा 63 प्लस 17 8 ज़ा और 8 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 17. सी यू कैन मल्टीप्लाई ऑल्सो. 8 7 ज़ा 56, 6 विल बी हेयर, 5 बिकम द कैरी. डाउन साइड कौन सा नंबर आता है? लास्ट, द डिजिट विच इज़ एट वंस प्लेस. 8 1 ज़ा 8 प्लस 5 13. So what come here? 136, right? Now add 63 in this. 6 plus 3, 9. 3 plus 6, 9 and 1. So answer be 199 by 56. So this is the way to add the fraction and about your exercise 7.5. Now our next topic be the subtraction. Our next topic, subtraction of fraction, right? Subtraction of fraction. Now we have to subtract the fraction. So in this, again first, if the denominator are same, अगर डिनोमिनेटर सेम है तो आपको सिंपली एलसीएम क्या हो जाएगा? सी एंड ए माइनस बी, राइट? दैट विल बी द आंसर. इफ द डिनोमिनेटर आर डिफरेंट, if the denominators are different like this, then what you will do? C multiply D, both the numbers divide करो, find the LCM, right? C multiply D, after that divide by C and the answer come, that will be multiply with A. Same, the next will multiply with B, right? So now come to the exercise 7.6. By the exercise you will learn how to subtract the fraction. First, A part is 3 by 8 from 5 by 8. See beta, from means that 5 by 8 minus 3 by 8, right? So 5 minus 3, 2, 2 by 8. It becomes 1 by 4. क्या हो जाएगा ये? 1 by 4. आपको आंसर जो है वो लोवेस्ट टर्म में लिखना है, because see both 2 and 8, they both are come in one table. 2 ones are 2 and 8 divided by 2, 4 comes, right? B part, 3 by 7 from 5 by 7, which is equals to 5 by 7 minus 3 by 7, right? Now 7 be the LCM. 5 minus 3, what comes? 2, 2 by 7, right? C part, 3 by 9 from 7 by 9. From means this number by this. 7 by 9 minus 3 by 9. See beta, denominators are same, so fraction will be what come here? 9. So 7 minus 3 equals to 4 by 9, right? 7 minus 3, 4. 4 by 9. See, it can be cut further. Is there any table in which 4 and 9 come together? No. D part, 3 by 10 from 7 by 10. So 7 by 10 minus 3 by 10, right? 7 minus 3, 4. 4 by 10, which is equals to 4 divided by 2, 2 comes. 10 divided by 2, 5 comes, right? So same as like the addition, subtraction is also same. Simply आपको क्या करना है? If denominators are same, then what you will do? Right, make it the LCM as it is, and 7 minus 3, what comes? 4 by 10. Now one more you have to do, that you have to write that number in the simplest form. आप उस नंबर को कैसे लिखेंगे? Simplest form में. Simplest form means lowest form, and lowest form we have done, right? Lowest form का मतलब होता है the number in the smallest, that आप उसको further cut नहीं कर सकते. Clear? Now come to next question, E part. 5/11 from 8/11. So now this is which type of fraction? Mixed. We will convert it. 11 ones are, write as it is, from 11 ones are 11. 11 plus 8, 19/11. So 19/11 minus 5/11. Now 19 minus 5, make 11 as the LCM because denominators are same. Denominators क्या हैं? Same हैं, right? So 19, 11 divide by 11, 1. 1 multiply with 19, 19, minus 11 divide by 11, 1. 1 multiply with 5, 5. Now 19 minus 5, 14/11. Is there any table in which these both numbers come together? कोई ऐसा टेबल है बेटा जिसमें ये दोनों नंबर्स टुगेदर आते हो? नो. सो दे आर ऑलरेडी इन द लोवेस्ट टर्म. आफ्टर ई, F part, 4/9 from 4/7 means 4/7 minus 4/9. So now both the denominators are different. What we will do? We will find the LCM. LCM of 7 and 9. 7 9s are 63. 7 9s are 63. Write like this, 7 multiply with 9. Now our number is this. So write LCM 63 here. 63 divided by 7. 9. 9 4s are 36. Minus 63 divided by 9. What comes? 9 ones are 9. 9 2s are 18. 9 3s are 27. 9 4s are 36. 9 5s are 45. 9 6s are 54. 9 7s are 63. What comes? 7. 7 multiply 4, 28. Now subtract 16 minus 8. You can subtract it here also. 16 minus 8, 8. 2 minus 2, 0. So what come? 8/63. Is 63 come in 8 table? No. Or is there any table in which 8 and 63 both comes together? No. Right? So now this is in the lowest term. No need to reduce it. Come to G part. 2/3 from 4/5 means 4/5 minus 2/3, right? So once again we have to find the LCM of 5 and 3. See, for LCM it means multiples. LCM means multiples. So write 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 6, 5 3s are 15, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. See, they both are same. So LCM of 5 and 3 equals to 15. LCM में क्या फाइंड आउट करना होता है? मल्टीपल्स. एंड फॉर HCF फैक्टर्स. right? So LCM is 15. So now as per the question, (15 divided by 5), what comes? 3. 3 4s are 12, minus 15 divided by 3, what comes? 5. 5 2s are 10. 12 minus 10, 2. 2 by 15, राइट. आप 2 by 15 को फर्दर कट नहीं कर सकते. इट मीन्स इट इज़ इन लोवेस्ट टर्म, राइट. नाउ आफ्टर दैट come to H part. 1 by 7 from 7 by 8 means 7 by 8 minus 1 by 7. Now see, again both are different number. What we will do, we will find multiples of 8 and multiples of 7. Eight ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 7 twos are 14, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 8s are 64. Now 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42, 7 7s are 49 and 7 8s are 56. Now they both are same. It means this is LCM, and once again LCM of 8 and 7 is equals to 56, or you can direct say 8 multiply with 7. चॉइस इज़ योर्स. आप मल्टीपल्स की हेल्प से LCM फाइंड आउट करना चाहते हैं या डायरेक्ट. अगर दोनों नंबर्स ऐसे नंबर हैं विच आर नॉट कम इन द सेम टेबल्स, जो दोनों नंबर सेम टेबल्स में नहीं आ रहे, दिस ओनली अप्लाई एट दैट टाइम. ये सिर्फ तभी अप्लाइकेबल होगा आपका जब डिनोमिनेटर्स जो होंगे वो हमारे सेम टेबल में ना आए. लेट्स कम. सो LCM विल बी 56 equals to 56. 56 divided by 8, 7. 7 multiply with 7, 49, minus 56 divided by 7, 8. 8 ones are 8. Now 49 minus 8, 41 by 56. What comes? 41 by 56. Further you can divide it by 3, no. By 2, no. By 4, no. So it is already in lowest term, right? After that I part, 2 2 by 9 from 3 2 by 3. Again firstly convert this number into improper. 9 2s are, see, 9 multiply 2 plus 2 by 9 from 3 multiply 3 plus 2 by 3. This is the way to convert mixed fraction into improper. कि आप फर्स्टली इनको मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, आफ्टर दैट एड बोथ द नंबर्स. नाउ 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 2, 20 by 9 from 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 by 3, right? Now we have to subtract 11 by 3 minus 20 by 9. Now what you have to do, multiples of 3 and 9. See, they both come in the table of 3. आप इसको डायरेक्ट नहीं कर सकते. So multiples of 3 are 3 1 ज़ा 3, 3 2 ज़ा 6, 3 3 ज़ा 9, 3 4 ज़ा 12, 3 5 ज़ा 15, 3 6 ज़ा 18. Now multiples of 9 are 9 1 ज़ा 9, 9 2 ज़ा 18, 9 3 ज़ा 27. See, 9 also same in both the tables. 9 भी क्या है, सेम है. एंड एलसीएम मीन्स लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल्स, जो सबसे छोटा नंबर होता है. सी 18 ऑल्सो कॉमन, बट हमें एलसीएम फाइंड आउट करना है. एंड व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय एलसीएम? लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल, राइट? सो एलसीएम ऑफ 3 and 9 इज 9. एलसीएम क्या है 3 और 9 का? 9. सो नंबर आर 11 minus 3 minus 20 by 9. So what we do? LCM is 9. 9 divided by 3. What comes? 3. 3 multiplied by 11, 33. Minus 9 divided by 9, 1. 1 multiplied with 20, 1. Sorry, 20 multiplied with 1, 20. Now 33 minus 20, what comes here? 13 by 9. Right? Answer is 13 by 9. It can cut further? No. So this is already in lowest term. Right? So today we have done the two topics, which is addition of fraction, and second topic is subtraction of fractions. राइट? आप एडिशन में भी सेम बच्चा ऐसे ही कर सकते हैं. मल्टीपल्स राइट डाउन करके चेक करो विच वन इज़ द कॉमन मल्टीपल, लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल्स, राइट? एंड इफ यू फील डिफिकल्ट इन दैट, इफ द टेबल, if the both the denominators are not come in the same table, अगर denominators match नहीं करते हैं तो आप क्या कर सकते हो? डायरेक्ट मल्टीप्लाई ऑल्सो यू कैन डू एंड राइट द LCM, राइट? तो आप उसको क्या कर सकते हो? डायरेक्ट मल्टीप्लाई एंड मेक इट द LCM फॉर एडिशन ऑल्सो एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑल्सो, right? So we have done addition and subtraction by two cases. Case 1, denominator same for both, denominator same, and case 2 is denominator different, denominator different. Right? First one denominator same, second one denominator different. Tomorrow we will do the word problems. कल हम क्या करेंगे? word problems on the basis of fraction numbers, basis of addition and subtraction of fraction number, addition and subtraction of fraction numbers, right? किसके बेसिस पे? on the basis of addition and subtraction which we have done today. जो टॉपिक हमने आज किया था, इन्हीं टॉपिक्स के बेसिस पे, इन्हीं टॉपिक्स के अकॉर्डिंग कल हम क्या करेंगे? वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स, राइट? व्हाट वी डू? वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स. क्लियर? सो नाउ वन मोर टॉपिक which is if the fraction is given in the lowest term, then you do not need to reduce the fraction because it can't reduce. See, like this 13 by 9, they are not come in the same table, so आप इसको further reduce नहीं कर सकते. Remember Remember this thing, whenever you done addition and subtraction, the answer should be in the lowest term. The answer should be in the lowest term. If the answer is not in the lowest term, then you will convert or you will reduce to the lowest term. So the result obtained is reduced to lowest term if possible, right? So for tomorrow we will do the word problems on the basis of addition and subtraction of fraction numbers, right?